Yeah, hi, and welcome to Viewline. I'm going to run you through initially how to download and install our application. You need to go to our website, which you've already been to. Go to the download section. That will take you to 3 potential downloads. We're talking about Viewline 550 today, and so you just want to click on that button and accept the download, and that download will probably go to your downloads folder or wherever you save your downloads to. I'm not going to do that now because I've already downloaded Viewline. I don't need to do that again. So once it's downloaded, we have the setup exe here. It might be an MSI. Okay, so double click on that and go through the process. It's relatively straightforward. Next on that, accept the terms and conditions if you're happy with them. That's the location the file is going to be placed in. Install. It's a relatively quick and easy process. Once that's complete, you can click on finish. And that will either start immediately and you can work from it. If it doesn't, and it hasn't in this case, that's because I'm running a demo project or a demo installation. Then just search for it. So you can type in Viewline. There it is. Might take a little moment to open. You can see something's going on there. First thing it wants to do is it wants to ask you what kind of registration, what kind of product registration you're making. So if it's a trial, then click on that one. Okay, and the trials run for 28 days. They're completely functional. And if you like our product, at that point, you can get in contact with us. We will be aware that you've made a trial. We might well get in contact with you. And then you can pay the invoice. And at that point, we will upgrade your existing trial to a standalone program. Any projects that you've created within the trial version, you'll be able to use within the standalone program. If you're an existing user and you're upgrading for any reason, then when you click on configure as a standalone, it will populate your license key for you. Okay. It'll do a check. Okay, it's telling me that I'm running under a valid license. I continue and I've accessed the application. In the next chapter, we'll run through how to create a project.